What's going on, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play golf on GTA 5 online. So it's very simple, actually. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to the country club. On the map, you can actually see it right here with this golf icon right here. If you're looking at the entire map, all right, it is over here, right here, over here in this area right here. All right, so and again, over here you can scroll down this menu here until you find golf and click on that, and it'll show you. So obviously, as you set a waypoint, you just click on that, and wherever you're at on the map, it'll give you a purple route to take, and you'll just follow that route and it will bring you right to it. So once you are here, I'm gonna go ahead and clear that out. Once you are here, you will go ahead and come over to the front here, and you will come over to this little highlighted area here. And the good thing is you can play by yourself, but oftentimes it will pair you with a group or a couple other people. But you'll just basically go over there and you'll click A once you're within that, and you can go ahead and just confirm the settings, and you can play by yourself if you would like to. Matchmaking open or closed if you want to do that as well. And then you'll just come down here and you will click play. All right, launch this activity on your own. Yes, it will ask you that. All right, and then it will just load in just a second. All right, so once you're loaded in, it will load you into an area like this, onto the course, and it's quite simple. It's kind of like any other golf game that you might have played, but in order to change your trajectory or wherever you want the ball to hit, and you can see it over here on this mini map over here, but you just use the right stick, go back and forth like that in order to change the club. There are different controls down here that it gives you. So to change the club, you just hit up and down on this. Okay, 3-wood driver. Okay, and then aim is right, swing is left. You want to try to get it inside this yellow area right here. And I did not do a very good job with that. But yeah, you want to try to get it as close to that yellow area down there as possible. And so yeah, you'll just keep playing like that. If you want to look at the hole, you can use the left trigger to look at the hole, and it'll take you down to the hole down there. If you want to look at where your shot is going, you hold down the right trigger, and it'll show you where where it's currently going. So say you want to hit it closer to the, and I'm not sure if it will allow you to, 5 iron, 6, 7, 8, pitching wedge, sand wedge. No, okay, so it's not going to let you use a wood or a driver this close. So, okay, but yeah, so yeah, that is, and if you want to look at the scoreboard, right bumper, you look at your score and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. And if you just want to quit in mid game, you would hit this button here. You will hit right on the D-pad to quit. It'll ask you if you want to quit. If you want to, you can just say yes. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. That is how you can play golf in GTA Online, GTA 5 Online. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.